In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to add simple editable text directly to a clip without using the essential graphics panel. This method is useful when you want to quickly add basic text labels or captions. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for simple text. Drag and drop the simple text effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. Here you'll see the text field where you can type your message. And enter the text you want to display on the screen. Below that, you can adjust the size and opacity. You can also change the position of the text to place it anywhere on the screen. Because this text is applied as an effect, it stays directly attached to the clip. This makes it useful for quick captions, labels, or timestamps without creating a separate graphics layer. Play the video and you'll see the text displayed on top of your clip. And that's it. And you've successfully added simple editable text using the simple text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.